Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can enable dark mode in TikTok. So just like in your Google and on YouTube, there's dark mode for TikTok as well. So the mode you see right now is known as light mode because you guys can see the white background, but once you switch into dark mode it's gonna have a dark background. All right, and switching to dark mode is not gonna do anything. It's just gonna make your background black, nothing else than that. All right, so let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. All right, now the first step in order to do that is you need to open a TikTok. Once you open a TikTok, you need to go on profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you go on profile, at the top right corner of your screen you can see the three line over there. You can click on it. Once you click on the three line, you can see settings and privacy. You want to click on settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, there's going to be dark mode over here right under content and activities panel, right below app language. So you want to click on dark mode. So right now my light mode is ticked marked. So once I click on dark mode, it's going to be switched to dark mode over here, as you guys can see. And if you want to match the darkness of your screen according to the light of your phone, you can turn the setting on as well. All right, but it's going to switch you automatically to light, so you can choose dark and that setting is going to be off as well. All right, but that's basically how you guys can choose dark mode on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step. And as I said, it makes your screen look like this. All right, so hope you understand. Have a nice day.